Is your Android phone recording calls automatically and you want to turn it off? In this video, I will show you how to disable call recording step by step. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the phone app on your Android device. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Now look for call recording or record calls and tap on it. Turn off the toggle for auto call recording or disable recording for all calls. If you are using a third-party app, open that app and turn off recording from its settings. Keep in mind, some phones may not have this option depending on your device or region, and that's it. Call recording is now turned off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips.